Hey, thanks for checking out the video. If you all like it, please like and subscribe, and hope you all enjoy it. Have a great rest of the day.
And then we'll let it dry.
Just do a tag or whatever.
Oh yeah.
Not sewn up fast enough. That's his problem.
This is the long part. This takes the long part.
David here, I met him when he was about 10.
Yeah.
Something like that. He hung out with me all weekend. At the end of the weekend, he says, "How far away do you live?" And he got that look on his face and says, "You ever think about moving up here?" I said, "No, I can't do that." He says, "When I get older, I want to move next to you."
No.
Remember that? Howdy, folks. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Finer than frog hair. You're at the right time. I'm going to take about 5 minutes and make a striker, and I'll show you the whole thing. Okay? Start to finish, about 5 minutes. You can ask questions. But here's what we got. This is the fire. In order to make the fire hot enough, we've got to blow into it with this thing back here. So when I pull that loose up, here's what that's doing.
Can you do that?
That's all it's doing. That's its whole job, its whole life, is to blow air into that fire. Listen to it. Hear it? It's called a bellows. Right. Okay, see the curve? We've got to do that to the other side, so we're almost done. Not far from done. What this is going to be is it's how you start fires, and all of you would know how to do this if you weren't dressed funny and you were dressed like that. Including you. You know how to start these fires. See how it's getting hotter? Look at here. See how that's getting hotter? You gotta get it hotter though.
The redder it gets, the hotter it is.
Boy, this one is giving me fits.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. And then we take these, and then we'll do that.
I need that so I can start my fire to cook
And
this
then,
evening.
once we do
Yeah.
that, we can start spinning it.
There's a lot of things you can be called, but you don't want to be called hungry.
I don't know if it'll dry as fast, but we have some that we already parted
Thank you.
Right, do it again. I didn't mean to do that. Let's see where that went.
Did it go in your little box? Okay.
Just wanted to straighten it. Okay.
That's going to be a good little striker there, isn't it? I have like 4 or 5 of them sitting in my sitting in my car. It's like, oh gosh darn. They're pretty handy though.
Almost done. This is the last step. Okay, here we go. All right, what do you think? You think it'll work? Think it'll work?
Yeah.
I tell you what, will you give me a cookie if it don't work?
If you had one, you'd already ate it. Wow, look at that.
That's how you'd start fires.
Let's start a fire, wouldn't it?
You take that little bitty spark and make it spark on a piece of chart cloth, and then you coax it into a fire.
Probably take me forever.
Oh yeah.